What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this no-sew face mask so we can go outside and protect ourselves. It's washable and everything. So if you want to learn how to make this face mask, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So yes, I wanted to do this video because we're in need of face masks. There's none out there, and you know we do have to get out for essentials. It's the next following month, so I'm pretty sure people have to get out and go to the banks, go to the grocery stores, pharmacies, and get everything that they need to get. So I made this face mask using some fabric and so forth, and so I'm going to show you how I made this so that way you can go outside and protect yourself. It's real comfy. I can just put it on just like this. And it protects me, my kids. I made several of them. And these ones are no-sew, but I am sewing some so I can donate to organizations and like to my neighbors and anybody that may need one. But yes, I hope that you guys are staying safe out there. And this is another way that can help you guys stay safe, is learning how to make a face mask. And I know there's some people out there that may not know how to sew. So I wanted to do a no-sew face mask. Let's just get into this video. So you're going to need 2 pieces of fabric. The measurements are 9 by 7, and basically if you do not have fabric lying around, you can use an old shirt, an old sweater, anything of that nature, and just cut out, you know, 2 pieces. Which the elastic I have is like an inch and a half thick, so it was too thick, and even with me cutting it in half, it just wasn't thin enough. But I did find that I have this stretch lace from the dollar store, which we use to make bracelets, and this works out great, and it actually feels really good using behind the ears. You're gonna need some type of tacky glue or fabric glue if you want to reuse this, and you're gonna need some hot glue so that way, you know, it can stick right away while that tacky glue is trying to work. Okay, so we're gonna go on and get started. So now that we got our pieces, we're gonna put them wrong sides together, so both of the right sides are on the outside. Usually when you sew something, you put the right sides together so you're sewing the wrong side, and then you flip it inside out. So I wanted to show you how to make a mask really quick, so that way if you need to run outdoors or go anywhere, you can protect yourself, because I know it is a shortage. So basically we're gonna take our 2 pieces, have them together, match them up, and we're gonna start about, like I say, about 2 inches in, and we're just gonna pinch it together and pull it up, and that's gonna be our first little pleat of the front of the mask. Then we're gonna go down again about 2 inches and grab another little pleat. Let's see if I can do this right. I like to go from underneath because it makes it easier and keeps it more neater. There we go. So now we have our pleats for our mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these pins that I got from the dollar store. I already have these, and just clip my pleats together, because we're doing a no-sew boo-boo. We ain't got time to sew nothing. We're trying to be quick and easy, and this is for y'all that don't know how to sew or anything. Y'all can get this done and make y'all a mask with no problems, okay? So now that we got that done, this is the front. We're gonna flip it over to the back, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our tacky glue, and I am going to run that around the top. Run that around the top. And I'm going to take my hot glue, because you know tacky glue takes a minute to work, and we want this to work right away because we may need to go outside right now, okay? And just get our hot glue on there. I want to make sure I get all the little corners. And then we're just going to fold this over. Got this side down. Turn it over, and we're going to do the other side. We're just going to glue it down as well. Alright, so we have our top and bottom folded in. See, look at the front. It looks so nice and neat. And we got the top and bottom folded in. Now, what we gotta do is work on our elastic. So I took my stretch lace that I got from the dollar store and I went on and cut out about 6.5 inches. And that's like a good little size. Keep it tight and nice. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get that on here. So we're going to take a little, I'm gonna test this out and see where I'm gonna fold it over, just so it's nice and even and clean and crisp. And we're gonna put our little tack glue right there and some at the bottom as well. I'm not sure if my hand's in the way, I'm sorry y'all. So put some at the top and the bottom. And we're gonna put some in between our little folds, our little pleats, some tack glue, and some hot glue. So you see our little pleats, I'm putting some hot glue right there. And some hot glue right there. And we're gonna push those pleats down together and they're gonna stick down, okay, before we fold anything over. And there we go, so our pleats are laying down. And now we just need to glue in our strings. So I'm gonna set this right on top of that tack glue. And I'm gonna get that hot glue, a nice little good amount of it. And fold that on over on top of it, okay? So we're gonna take and fold and hold it down. Make sure it really sticks and forms and holds on there, okay? Then we'll take the other side, stick that right into the tack glue or near it, and put our hot glue, a nice generous amount. And we're gonna fold that over. Bam. So we're just gonna hold that down so it sticks. Now as you see, when we folded it over, we have the pleats from the other side sticking up. So just take a little bit of tack glue right there and a little wherever you need to make it lay down, and put our hot glue, nice generous amounts, and just push it down. So there we go. We got one side of our mask done. You can take your scissors and any little flyaways you can clip off if you need to. I like to clip off any flyaways, just try to keep it as clean as possible. And now we're gonna move on to the other side, right here. Take our clip off, and you see our little pleats. We're going to put some tack glue inside those pleats. One right there, and one right there, okay? Then we take our hot glue inside the pleats, nice generous amount. We want them to lay down. Bam. And just do it like that. And it's laid down. So now we're gonna take and see where we're gonna put our fold at, just like we did the other side. To see how it'll be nice and neat, and you don't want it to be so much folded over, but just enough. Okay. So now I kind of see where I'm gonna fold it. I'm gonna put my tack glue right where I need it to be, because it's gonna hold them strings. And we'll start with the top or bottom, whichever one, however it's facing you. Put our little string in the glue and put our hot glue on top of that string. Nice generous amount. And we're going to fold over. And just kind of hold it down. Wait for that hot glue to do its little thing, and boom. Now, we're going to do the same to this side. We're going to take our string, put it in the tack glue. This one's giving me problems. We're going to put it in the tack glue. And then we're going to get a nice little generous amount of hot glue. Sometimes stuff be, it's arts and crafts. Then we just fold it over. Right on top of itself. Okay? There we go. That's down. Now, as you see, we folded it over. We have the pleat on this side, just like before. And we need to make sure it lays down nice and good. So just put a little hot glue. A little hot glue. And just hold it down. Alright, and so now this is the completed mask. This is the back of the construction, and this is the front of the mask. I would wear this, I would always put the biggest part at the bottom and then the smallest part at the top, and then you can open it up, okay? But yeah, this is our completed mask. Super easy. So yes, this is the finished product. This is what she looks like. You put it on like this, and then just kind of spread it out, and boom, your nose is covered, your mouth is covered, everything's covered, and it's very, very comfortable. I think this is more comfortable than an elastic band in my opinion, but yeah, she worked out really, really nice, and I think she's cute, and I made her in several different colors. Others, I have like several different fabrics and designs, so just made, what I can do. I have some plain ones with like, patterns and so forth, but just very easy, very quick. I made probably about 10 of them in less than an hour. So hey, very simple and easy to make, and it'll protect you and your family, and it is washable. So yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys are staying safe out there, and until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.